Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Badai Pet Yakatanat Pule Putih jong kajala uba lakmen rumbui menta kasingi ka khanyo tarik ukala lingkot 8,000 pulai habakren berkila pathai kubor halor ke engineering college ka badang sudap Shen hamalai konton masar ulaong basyan an sa Pynïasoh no yakani ka college Bathymmai bat ka Skulbah Nehu ha ka jo kapor uba lakmen ulaong ru bakani ka Jaka Pule Bathymmai kan seiru ikiwede ki jing Pule kom ka mining but environmental studies but kin sedang no how benai naitung lani nailar jong uni usnem.
Affecting to Nehu and apply to STE has already started. So in the first instance, we thought of giving here computer science and civil engineering and electrical engineering. But after that, when we see that the prospect of mining and all and environmental here is very strong, so we have to change mid journey that we have to offer the mining and environmental studies also here. So these are the courses which we are going to offer here. But as I said, that the department is in touch with ICTE to make all the arrangements so to comply with all the norms so that the course could be start immediately in this academic session.
Can we expect by July or August of this year?
This academic session when it will start?
Yeah, July, August.
Lateral entry is always there because it's the norm of the ICTE where they can do. Also, those who are qualified within that norms they can do. But main is for the direct entry.